Here it is. I'm getting it.
The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, south central Escambia County in northwestern Florida until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Gonzales, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pensacola, Ferry Pass, Brent, West Pensacola, Ensley, Gonzales, Moving, Lillian, and Myrtle Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Baldwin, Alabama,